Joe's having a little bit of fun. We're in on some structure, another nice little tree. Holy man. That one was after your bobber.
Did you guess that?
We ported it into a little lake that I figured would be pretty good tonight. It's calm. The bass and the bluegills are definitely up in the shallows, so. Once again, I'm the film crew, and I'm behind the paddle in the canoe. If I keep my finger out of the video, that'd be better.
I'm going in front of the tree. I'm so scared of staying quiet. I'm used to shore fishing, not wind.
I know you're not used to the canoe. You're getting used. Holy man, there's a nice bass. Cranked you. He didn't like that, did he? He come right after your bobber. About 3 pounds, I bet. Well, you got him stirred up now. He'll come back. That's why the bluegills aren't here. The bass are under that tree. There he is. There's Joe's got him. This is going to be a battle. Keep him out of the tree, girl. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm going to film this. I got to get us a little deeper. Don't horse him too much. Don't lift him out of the water. Get him by the lip. Get him by the lip, girl. That girl. That's a nice fish.
That's how you do it.
That's 3.5 pounds.
That's right. You say put them in the net.
Put him in the net. We got the net,
though.
but we didn't need it. Well, you're calling that one. Well, I guess
Catch him! Put him in the net.
I guess that means I guess we're gonna keep that one for supper.
Oh yeah.
He's got to be easy, no, easy. We're in a canoe. One person moves at a time.
Yeah, I'm one that moves. Go, we're moving. Got it.
Yeah, he's about 15, 16-inch fish. Not bad. Okay, I gotta shut this off for a second so I can put him on the stringer.
Hope I don't get the tree.
Hope you don't hook the tree. That's a good place. Yeah, that tree must be loaded with bass if we're not catching a bluegill up there. It's a beautiful sand bottom here.
We were earlier.
All right, I'm trying to film this and
In
paddle.
the canoe, and I am nervous about my phone being in here. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I know.
Should we go for on the corner of the tree?
Maybe. Oh, there you go. The gillies are back, huh? You got another bass or a bluegill? Bluegill. Oh, Joe's got a bluegill.
It's bigger than my hair.
Near? Far. All right. Pulled us right into the trees. That's got to be a good one. That's a nice one. Nice one, Joe. I think you're all right. This just looks like a nice calm bay. Some sand here and a few logs in the water. It should be a good spot.
I'm learning to move.
Nothing. There you go. Joe's got a gilly. Got one on the run here. Oh, it's a nice one too. Probably 9-incher. That's sweet. Wow. Look at the size of that one. Look at a beefy mama. All right. I gotta help her release her line, and I gotta get the canoe slid in deeper water. Be right back. Joe will find the honey hole. They'll come back.
Yep.
Yep. Joe's got some monster
Must be a little
males. Monster males making beds. What you got there? Oh yeah.
I got it.
Get it back here. What do you think of that one, Joe?
I think that's pretty good.
She's like, that hurts my back.
I don't know if I got him. I got him hooked on the belly.
I was getting frustrated with Joe because
I think I got him hooked on the belly.
because she wasn't getting in the bluegill spot, and she dumps the.
I don't even have him in the lips.
Here, bring him back this way, so I can get it. It's a pretty nice bass. Boy, you made short work of that. You got a match to the last one you caught.
You don't. Oh, I still got my worm sitting here in my lap.
Did you swallow it all the way?
No,
Not too bad?
not too bad.
Okay, I got to get us backed out of this lily pad so get the bluegills back in here. Joe's got a rod bender going. Ooh. Another nice one.
Yeah, well, we've had a couple nicer ones, so I just got them right through the lip. If I can get them out of here without any damage.
That's a nice fish. That's got to be 9.5-inch bluegill.
Oh,
Cool.
I got him off, no problem. I'm gonna actually let him go.
Yeah, that's cool. Pretty one.
We got darn near dinner tonight for a couple nights.
Let's see the colors on how green he is with that green backdrop on the cattails up there. That's cool.
But
Pretty fish.
we got a couple good dinner eaters. I'm gonna let him go.
Yep. Whoosh, gone. Nice fish, Joe.
Thank you.
Oh, just got bit by a mosquito. Joe's got fish on.
Oh, he's just a little guy.
Just a little one.
Yeah. Yep.
That's pretty crazy.
Whoop,
Fish.
and just right through the lip if I can get it out.
Yeah, it's not very deep here. It's not even a foot of water hardly. Gone. Good one, Joe.
They're in there.
Okay, let's go try the little island. No spot.
No,
New spot. One more cast? Joe always says one more cast.
I always say one more. You're not still recording, are you?
Yeah, recording the Dead Sea. Yep. Nice spot. There it is. Ooh. Joe's got a bass. Or is it a bluegill?
No, it's a little itty bitty.
Oh, I thought you had a bass.
They're out here.
Yeah, they're out here and slapping in the water.
Keep going, so I can get the hook out.
It's the bummer part about it.
One more bird to pull it.
Oh, the bummer part about being a canoe. Here, I'll take them off if you want. Bring them up here. Okay. Let's see if we can do this one-handed and film it. I don't know.
Please don't drop my phone out there.
Okay, he's gone. Nice job.
Just on my stick fish.
Do I need the net for this one, girl?
No, if I did all by myself,
You got,
it's the
You
biggest
got-
catch I had all night.
you got your tape measure for that one? Yeah, I'm on it. Joel's got action again. Oof. He's got to be 4 pounds. Easy. You only got 8 pound line on there. Take it easy there, gunpowder. Joe, don't monkey around. Ooh, don't get a hook. He's 4 pounds.
Barry got him.
You better let that one go.
Mhm.
Yeah, let him go. Hey, you brought her luck. Joe's got her fish going again. Get my camera off the lens.
Jen, want a deeper water?
Ooh. Oh, that's a bluegill, I think. Look at the size of that bowl. Wow. Let's see that. He's got to be 11 inches. 10 for sure. That's a big male. That's impressive.
The bear got him by a lip.
Yeah. Okay. I'll let you unhook him and toss him with. I hope he got it. Joe got a
Oops, sorry.
about a 20-inch bass, I believe it was, and she's gonna put it on the wall. She's a catfisher girl, and I
I
think
know,
she's gonna.
he's being loud.
And you have a match. I think you should maybe keep this with your bass, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Joe's gilling it. Our last couple of videos, that'd be a eater noogie. And he's gone. Blook. That was a 7.5 inch bluegill. Blook, going. She's laughing. I'm like, I'm doing my wrap up talk, and I'm like, well, we're gonna wrap it up, and Joe's like, do you got record pushed? I'm like, nope.
Couple little guys. We're gonna head back.
It's getting late. We got a lot of overcast from the Canadian smoke, and geez, we had a beautiful evening. We were in another little bay here.
Had a lot of fun. I had to spend it with the love of my life, and to go back and eat some fish. Can't complain.
Can't complain. Joe's gonna have a fish dinner. We had a great time. We let some nice fish go. She saved that one decent bass. That was a nice fish. So we got a couple to eat, and we saved some bluegills. Life was good. Okay. Really? We're just gonna wrap it up, and like we scared him out of here, and she's like, nope. This is like Amazon fishing for peacock bass. Wow, so much for a wrap up. Hey, let's wrap it up with a 10-inch bluegill. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I'm on the roof. Man, I hate to go up there tomorrow when I come back. I better seal it up before the rain comes in. Okay, thanks for watching.